Horses out, we have Salinas past the begin. Virtual Angel is running by the rail, moving up on the outside now. Joe Master together with So It's You. Then comes Panahon Na, All My Life, Cold Hearted, and Muskrat. This is the early trailer. We have Show Master now the leader by about 2 lengths. Virtual Angel in second, alongside 30. So It's You. Panahon Na now moving up to take fourth. Salinas in fifth. Then followed over by All My Life, Cold Hearted, and Muskrat trails the field by about 11 to 12 lengths up the pace. And it's still Show Master by about 2.5 lengths. So It's You still in second. Virtual Angel in third. Panahon Na is racing in fourth. Then followed by All My Life, Salinas, Cold-Hearted, then Muskrat. We have Show Master by only an egg moving up. So It's You now moving up on the outside. So It's You, Show Master fighting it out for the lead. It's now So It's You by about 3/4 of a length. Show Master drags back in second. Then here comes Virtual Angel in third. Panahon Na is racing in fourth. Then comes All My Life and Salinas. And as they come down at the last 150, So It's You by Olalenka. Show Master, Panahon Na, Danori inside. But it's still So It's You, followed by Show Master. Panahon Na is running by the So It's You, Show Master once again. Danori inside, and finally Show Master second. Panahon Na. Then comes So It's You, Virtual Angel.